Hi, children. Merry Christmas. Yes, reindeer ears gives you a little laugh. But what I'm going to read today, I'm reading from the book Hark, a Christmas Sampler. It's put together by Jane Yolen and Tomie dePaola. It's a book filled with poems, songs, stories related to Christmas. Today I'm going to read to you The Legend of Rosemary. Now, your moms know that rosemary is what I always refer to as my secret ingredient in cooking. I put rosemary in all kinds of dishes. It gives it a little different taste, one that I find very pleasant, and apparently so do many members of my family and friends alike. So I'm going to read. Here's the picture. I want you to keep this in mind as I'm reading. What do you see? You see a lady? Yes, and she's holding a cloth of some kind. I'll ask you again after the story and see if you know what the cloth was. And then who is this in the book? It's a babe. And I'll ask you at the end of the story who that is as well. The Legend of Rosemary. There was little time for washing, and a donkey's bank carries no line. Still a babe, no matter how holy, does not keep his diapers clean. What could I do but find a stream, swift and eager and cold, where I could wash the cloths and the child? They say in these parts that water goes over 21 rocks to cleanse itself. I dried his diapers on a bush, and when I lifted them off, the white blossoms beneath had turned blue, and the scent of rosemary, the smell of rosemary, sharp and pure, colored the air. Here's sprigs of rosemary for you. Sprigs of rosemary. I'm asking you, so who are these? Well, we're going to start with this. This would be baby Jesus. This would be his mom. She was giving him a little bath and keeping his clothes, his diapers, and other clothes around him clean. Back then, they did not have disposable diapers and other things that we have today. And as she was traveling, she had to find what she could. She couldn't just wait till, at the end of the week they got home, could she? No, she was taking very good care of her babe, like all moms do. So thank you. Have a very Merry Christmas from me, my family, to you. And the Christmas penguin here says Merry Christmas as well. Bye-bye.